Hey guys, it's Lindsay from Chalk Palette. Today I'm going to be using our So Foxy chalk transfer to dress up our gold round frame. It's a 10-inch board. Our chalk transfers are adhesive on one side, so I'm just sticking the transfer on, making sure that I don't have any bubbles in the transfer so that when I apply my Chalkology paste it will go on smoothly and not bleed underneath. Once I have it down really nicely, I'm going to grab my chalk paste. This is the shimmer gold, so it has a little bit of glitter inside of the paste for a little fun effect, and I'm just going to take it up into the edge of the transfer, working my way down across the frame. I like to work in one direction, but really you can just be as messy as you want and just make sure that you're getting your chalk paste everywhere, covering the entire design. You really don't need to use too much chalk paste. You want to make sure you can see the design underneath the chalk transfer and put the excess back into the jar when you are all finished. And just make sure that you're spreading it to cover the entire thing pretty evenly. And once you have it all, scrape off any excess paste that might have piled up and then just put it right back into your jar. Once that is finished, you can peel your chalk transfer and admire your beautiful artwork. Ta-da! Looks fantastic. I absolutely love how easy chalk couture is.